How to see linked accounts on Steam. This tutorial shows you how to check which other platforms or services are connected to your Steam account. First, open the Steam app on your computer. After that, click on Steam at the top left corner. From there, click on Settings. At this point, click on the Interface tab. In the next step, this tab won't show linked accounts directly, so instead, close Settings and go to your Steam profile. Following this, click on your profile name at the top right, then click View Profile. Once done, click on Edit Profile below your profile picture. From here, scroll down and look for a section labeled Linked Accounts or Connected Accounts. At this stage, this section shows platforms like Facebook, Twitch, or gaming accounts you've connected to Steam. Keep in mind, not all connections show here. Some third-party site logins using Steam won't appear in this list since they're managed on the other platform side instead. Finally, click on any listed platform to manage or unlink it directly from this page. And that's it. If this guide helped you see linked accounts on Steam, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.